That second question that I asked you was, how many tests can you run per day that give you the correct result with 95% accuracy? Meaning that if you run the test 100 times, minimum 95 out of those 100 times are going to give you a correcting pass if it passed successfully, or a failure if there is a bug or the functionality changed and broke your test. And so I provided a bunch of multiple choice responses, 5,000 plus tests per day, 1,001 to 5,000, 501, this, all the way down to 0 to 50. Now think about it yourself. How many tests per day can you run that will provide you the correct result with 95% accuracy? At least. If it's 100%, that's perfect, but I believe that a little bit of error is okay. Even at Google, they run automated functional tests with some failure rate that's extremely hard to fix. So think about it. How many can you run per day? Well, here are all the 35 responses. 2, 4, 5,000 plus, and that does not surprise me at all. It is extremely tough to run 5,000 plus automated functional tests per day with 95% accuracy. I think I'm just starting to get to that level, and it requires a lot of hard work. It requires parallel test execution. It requires very complex environments and complex frameworks to be able to accomplish that. So these people that can do this, that's amazing. I would love to talk to you and figure out how you're doing it, just so I can learn from your experience. 3 for 1,001 to 5,000. 2 for 501 to 1,000, 4 for 101 to 500. We're obviously starting to increase our numbers as we're getting closer towards the bottom. 5 for 51 to 100. And then, personally, for me, not surprising at all, 20 people can only run 0 to 50 automated functional tests per day with 95% accuracy. And that's not surprising to me at all, because that's exactly what I see at every single job that I go. I've been doing this for many years now, and every time I show up to a position to do automated functional testing, we either have no automated functional testing, or it's so bad that it needs to be rebuilt from scratch because everything is so unstable and it's impossible to run any tests or very few tests with any kind of accuracy. And so again, that tells me that flakiness for you all is a problem, because you can't write a lot of tests, you can't write stable tests, and therefore you can't execute a lot of your automated functional tests every single day. And that is a serious problem that we all face as automation engineers.